Gray peacock pheasant, the mysterious beauty of the forest. Deep inside the forest lives a bird with something truly extraordinary on its tail, dozens of patterns that look like watching eyes. Yet not a single one can blink. At first glance, you might think it is a small species of peacock. But it isn't a peacock at all. This is the gray peacock pheasant, one of nature's most fascinating and mysterious birds. Unlike the common peacock, it doesn't have a huge, colorful tail or a bright blue body. Instead, its beauty is hidden in the delicate patterns covering its feathers. Its body is a mixture of gray, brown, and dark tones, decorated with beautiful bluish-green, circular markings that look remarkably like tiny eyes. And when a male gray peacock pheasant spreads its tail, the scene becomes even more spectacular. Those eye-like patterns suddenly seem to come alive, covering the tail like dozens of mysterious eyes staring back at you. This incredible display is especially noticeable in males. During the breeding season, the male spreads his tail and displays his beautiful feathers to attract the attention of a female. But despite its stunning appearance, the life of this bird is far from royal. Most of its time is spent close to the forest floor. The gray peacock pheasant prefers dense forests, mountainous woodland, and quiet areas filled with thick vegetation. It can be found in different forest regions across South and Southeast Asia. Instead of constantly flying through the sky, this bird often walks along the forest floor searching for food. Its diet can include insects, small creatures, seeds, fruits, and different parts of plants. But while moving through the forest, the gray peacock pheasant has one major advantage: its natural camouflage. Among dry leaves, soil, and thick vegetation, it can be surprisingly difficult to spot. Its brown and gray feathers blend naturally into the forest surroundings. And that is exactly why seeing one in the wild is not easy. You could walk surprisingly close to one, while it quietly remains hidden behind bushes, and you might never realize that such a beautiful bird is right there. Gray peacock pheasants generally prefer to stay away from humans. When they sense danger, they can quickly disappear into the vegetation. That is why capturing a beautiful photograph of one in its natural habitat can be a truly special moment for a wildlife photographer. Its scientific name is Polyplectron bicalcuratum. It belongs to the peacock pheasant group and is more closely related to pheasants than true peafowl. And those eye-like patterns on its tail are not simply beautiful decorations. They may also play a role in confusing potential predators or rivals. But the most breathtaking moment comes when the male slowly opens its tail. Suddenly, an ordinary forest bird seems to transform. Dozens of bluish, eye-like patterns appear across its tail, creating one of the most fascinating displays found in the forest. Nature once again asks,